Today we have Toyota Hycross for full body PPF. After decontamination process, we need to do paint correction. Now we are applying PPF.